Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you solubility of iodine. Iodine insoluble in water but soluble in KI solution, and that ethanol. It is soluble in ethanol, that tincture iodine which we used as a mild antiseptic. It is ethanol plus iodine. It is soluble in ethanol. Okay, that tincture of iodine, that one ethanol plus iodine mixture. Okay, solute is iodine, solvent is ethanol, and it is also dissolving KI. Iodine insoluble in water, it dissolving potassium iodide KI. So first see, I'll take normal water. Okay, in test tube. Now I'll add that iodine, and you know that iodine is a soluble substance. I'm adding little bit iodine. See, is float over that water. It will not get dissolved. Okay, just float over that water. It will not get dissolved. So iodine is insoluble in water. Next, see, I will add it in ethanol. Okay, I take that sanitizer as a source of ethanol. See, now I'm shaking it. See the change. It get dissolved. Actually, I use that thick one, that semi-solid, that sanitizer. That's why it takes some time. But liquid sanitizer, if I use, so it is dissolving that ethanol. Check. So iodine completely dissolving that ethanol. Here I take sanitizer, that semi-solid, that sanitizer, you check, it get dissolved. Next, see that KI solution, potassium iodide solution. See, it also get dissolved. So in this experiment, we learn that iodine is soluble in ethanol and KI solution, but insoluble in water. If you like this video, please share and subscribe my channel. And if you have any query regarding this, please leave some comment.